If you are curious about how digital assets are stored, understanding the Bitcoin wallet is your first step into crypto mechanics. A Bitcoin wallet does not actually store coins. Instead, it stores the digital keys that prove ownership of your assets on the blockchain. Think of the public key as your digital address, and the private key as the secret signature that allows you to authorize transactions. Wallets come in different formats, depending on whether you prioritize convenience or maximum security for your holdings. Hot wallets are convenient for frequent use, while cold storage is generally considered the gold standard for long-term asset protection. This chart illustrates the trade-off between the ease of accessing your funds and the security level of the storage method. This popular saying reminds users that if a third party controls your keys, they hold the power over your assets. Always research security practices before setting up your own wallet. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your recovery phrases safe.